Hey, hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy channel.
Hello, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. How are you today, Emma?
I'm really good. I had a great weekend. I feel very happy today.
Oh, what did you do on the weekend?
I stayed home most of the time. I did my hobby, and it was wonderful.
Oh, nice. What is your hobby? Tell me.
I'll tell you in a minute. But first, Jack, what did you do on the weekend?
Me? I played video games for 3 hours, and I felt a little bad about it
Why did you feel bad?
because I had things to do. I had dishes to wash, I had emails to answer, but the game was so good I couldn't stop.
I know that feeling. You sit down for 1 hour and then it's 4 hours later.
Exactly. And then it's dark outside and you think, what happened? Where did the day go?
Yes, the day just disappears.
It really does. But you know what? The game was fun. I don't feel that bad.
Good. And you know what? I think that's okay. Free time is important. You need to relax sometimes.
Wait, what do you mean by relax exactly?
Relax means to rest, to stop working and do something easy and nice, something that makes you feel calm and happy inside.
Oh, like playing video games.
Yes, playing games can help you relax, or reading a book, or going for a walk. Anything that helps your body and your mind feel better.
So relax is a good thing.
Of course, everyone needs to relax. If you never relax, you get very tired, and then you can't do anything well.
That's true. When I don't relax, I feel stressed. I can't think clearly. Everything feels hard.
Right. So, video games for 3 hours, that was your way to relax on the weekend.
Okay, now I feel much better about it. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome, Jack. I give good advice.
You really do. Okay, so tell me now, what is your hobby? You said you stayed home and did your hobby.
Yes, my hobby is painting. I paint pictures, usually flowers and things from nature.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful. How long have you been painting?
About 3 years now. I started during a long holiday. I was at home and I was very bored. I wanted to try something new.
And did you like it right away?
No, not at first. My first painting was terrible. It looked like a child did it, a very young child.
Really? What did you try to paint?
I tried to paint a cat, a simple, nice cat, but it looked more like a potato.
A potato cat. That's amazing. I want to see it.
No, you don't. It's very sad. It was round, orange, and very strange. My mom looked at it and said nothing, just nothing.
That silent look. That's worse than words.
So much worse. But I didn't give up. I kept going. I tried again the next day.
That's great. And now your paintings are good?
I think so, yes. They're not perfect, but I like them. And the most important thing, I relax when I paint. I forget everything else. Work, problems, everything.
That's really nice. I want a hobby like that. Something that helps me relax and forget about everything for a while.
What about video games? You said you relax when you play.
Yes, but it's not the same. With games, my brain is very active. I'm always thinking fast, planning, reacting. It's exciting, but not calm.
And with painting, it's slower, more peaceful.
Exactly. I want something slower, something where I can just sit and breathe.
What about reading? Do you read books?
Not much, to be honest. I read news online and short articles, but not books.
Why not? Don't you like stories?
I like the idea of stories, but I start a book and then I put it down and I forget about it, and it just sits there.
You collect books but never read them.
Yes, I have about 10 books at home. I collect them, but I never finish them. They look nice on the shelf, though.
That's so common. I know many people like you.
Really? It's not just me?
No, not at all. Many people collect books and never read them. It even has a name in Japanese.
Wait, really? What's the name?
I think it's tsundoku. It means you buy books and let them collect on your shelf without reading.
Oh, wow. There's a word for this? That's amazing and a little embarrassing.
Don't be embarrassed. It means you love books. You just love them on the shelf.
Yes, that's my hobby, loving books from a distance.
I like that. By the way, listeners, if you are new here, welcome. We post new episodes regularly, so please subscribe and don't miss the next one. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, subscribe and tell us in the comments what is your hobby. We really want to know. We read the comments.
Okay, Jack, tell me, do you have any other hobby? Not just video games?
I like to cook sometimes. Not every day, but sometimes on a free afternoon, I cook something new.
Oh, what do you cook?
Simple things. Pasta, soup, eggs with vegetables. Nothing complicated.
That sounds nice. Did you ever try something difficult?
Yes, one time. I tried to make pizza, real pizza, with homemade bread.
Oh, that's hard.
Very hard. I made the bread part, I put everything on it, I put it in the oven, and then it was burned on the outside and cold in the middle.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
It was. My friend came to eat with me. He took one bite, and then he said, "Should we order pizza instead?"
That's so funny. Did you feel bad?
A little, but also, yes, let's order pizza. The real one.
That's the right decision. Did you try again?
Not with pizza, but I tried other things, and cooking does help me relax a little, when it goes well.
Yes, cooking is great. I cook too. I find a new recipe online and I try it on the weekend.
Does it always work for you?
No, one time I tried to make bread too. Real bread from the beginning.
Oh, what happened?
I mixed everything. I put it in the oven. I waited a long time. I was excited. And then I opened the oven and it was flat, like a pancake.
Oh, flat bread again. Why is bread so hard?
I don't know. Bread is the enemy. It was flat, hard, and very sad. My family looked at it and said nothing.
That silent look again.
Yes, the same look. But I tried again the next week, and it was better.
That's the fun part of a hobby, I think. You get better slowly. Each small win feels great.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about enjoying the process, and you collect little wins along the way.
I like that. You collect little wins. That's a great way to think about hobbies.
And when you relax doing something you love, you learn too, without trying.
Yes, I get better at games without studying. I just play and I improve.
Same with painting. I just paint, and slowly I get better.
Okay, I think I need a new hobby. What do you think I should try?
Have you ever tried drawing? Just simple drawing with a pencil.
No, never. I think I'm terrible at it.
But you don't know until you try. My first painting looked like a potato cat, and now I'm okay.
That's true. Maybe I'll try.
Just get a pencil and some paper. Draw something simple. Draw your coffee cup. Draw your hand.
Or draw a potato. I'm good at potatoes.
Yes, start with a potato, then move to a cat, then to a real painting.
Step by step, from potato to artist.
Exactly, that's how it works.
You know, I think hobbies are really important, not just for fun.
I agree. Why do you think so?
Because when you have a hobby, you have something that is just for you. Something you do for yourself, not for work, not for other people.
That's a really good point. Work is for other people. Hobbies are for you.
And you relax, you feel good about yourself, and you forget your problems for a while.
I agree completely. And any hobby is fine. You don't need money. You don't need special things.
Walking is a hobby. Reading is a hobby. Cooking, drawing, games, all good.
Even collecting things is a hobby. Some people collect stamps. Some collect coins. Some collect books they never read.
That last one is me. Don't judge me.
Never. Okay, let's do a small recap. We talked about hobbies and free time today.
Emma's hobbies are painting and cooking. She started painting 3 years ago. Her first painting looked like a potato.
That's correct. And Jack plays video games and collects books he doesn't read.
Also correct. And we both agree it's important to relax, to have free time, to do things that make you happy.
Hobbies help you relax. They help you feel calm, and they help you grow slowly and naturally.
Our bonus tip, don't wait for the perfect hobby. Just try something, anything.
If you don't like it, try something else. That's completely okay.
Start small. Don't plan too much. Just pick up a pencil, or open a game, or go for a walk.
Small start, big results later. That's how hobbies work.
Okay, our word of the episode today is relax. We talked about it a lot today.
Yes, relax means to rest and feel calm, to stop working and do something nice and easy for yourself.
When you paint, you relax. When you walk in the park, you relax. And when you listen to English Listen Easy, you relax.
This is your hobby now, listening to us and learning English at the same time.
Write one sentence in the comments with the word relax. For example, I relax when I listen to music, or I need to relax after work.
Writing it helps you remember the word. Please try it right now in the comments.
And our word from the last episode was collect. Did you get a chance to use the word collect?
We hope so. You can use it in so many ways. I collect coins. I collect phrases. I collect little wins.
Use it every chance you get. It's a great word.
Okay, beautiful people, that's it for today.
Thank you so much for listening. If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
New episodes are coming all the time. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.